Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly versatile tool that promises to revolutionize how you organize and label: the CLABEL 221b label maker. This isn't just any label maker. It comes as a fantastic bundle, including the 221b printer itself, a roll of 40x30 thermal paper, and perhaps most exciting for many, 6 rolls of high-visibility yellow cable labels. Let's talk about those yellow cable labels first. They are specifically designed for cable and wire identification, and their bright, attention-grabbing color ensures that your cables are easily identifiable and organized. Whether it's for a bustling home office, a professional business setup, or for those dealing with complex electrical systems or server racks, these labels are an absolute game-changer for clear, durable organization. One of the standout features of the CLABEL 221b is its incredible flexibility when it comes to consumables. Unlike many traditional thermal printers that often lock you into expensive, proprietary supplies, this label maker is fully compatible with virtually any brand of thermal paper. This freedom is a huge advantage, allowing users to significantly reduce printing costs, expand their printing options, and completely avoid those inflated prices tied to brand-specific consumables. So, whether you're labeling cables, printing receipts, or generating barcodes, you'll enjoy high-quality, reliable prints without breaking the bank. Portability and ease of use are clearly at the forefront of the CLABEL 221b's design. Weighing in at a mere 8.4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it a perfect companion for use anywhere, be it at the office, at home, or while on the go. Connectivity is a breeze too, with compatibility across iOS, Android, and PC, allowing for seamless connection via Bluetooth or a USB cable. This means whether you're printing small labels for files or organizing an entire network with those bright yellow cable labels, this portable device is your go-to solution. And what about customization? The CLABEL app is a powerful, yet completely free tool that makes personalizing your labels incredibly simple. There's no need for logins or sharing personal information, ensuring a secure and fast printing experience. The app offers a rich variety of free icons, fonts, and frames, giving users the creative freedom to design exactly what they need. Beyond basic text, it supports printing barcodes, QR codes, images, logos, and even boasts advanced features like batch printing, scan printing, and PDF printing. For businesses looking to boost efficiency in labeling, marking cables, or printing lab samples, this app provides a comprehensive suite of options. In essence, the CLABEL 221b label maker bundle offers a compelling package for anyone seeking superior organization and cost-effective labeling. Its combination of specialized cable labels, universal paper compatibility, user-friendly design, and a feature-rich app makes it a truly outstanding choice for a wide range of labeling needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.